Now to Tibet, where an extraordinary thing happened today in the capital city of Lhasa during a tour arranged by China for foreign journalists. It's the latest development in the battle between Beijing and Tibetan separatist protesters. Our report from NBC's Ian Williams.
This was China's effort to show that Tibet has returned to normal. A carefully stage-managed tour for selected foreign journalists, taking in one of Lhasa's holiest temples. Then it all backfired. The monks, some in tears, refused to play by the Chinese script. "We want freedom," one of them said. A group of 30 monks rushed over and gathered around the journalists, saying they'd been confined to the temple. And they also said that monks chosen by the Chinese for the press to interview were imposters. "They are all officials," this monk said. "The government arranged for them to come here." Another monk said the recent protests that rocked Lhasa had nothing to do with the Dalai Lama, the exiled Tibetan spiritual leader. The monks accused the Chinese police of arresting religious officials and ordinary people. Then, shocked government handlers shouted for the journalists to leave.
They began to try to pull us away. I was trying to talk to the monks and understand what their grievances were, and somebody kept tugging on my arm. I just ignored them.
Later, the temple was sealed off. NBC News was not invited on the press tour. Tonight, the trip was shown on Chinese television, but not the monks' protest.
The picture that has emerged is one of Tibet's continuing discontent, a further embarrassment for China just days before the start of the Olympic torch relay in Beijing. Ian Williams, NBC News, Bangkok.